Hello everyone. Let's look at this volume index and Z10 oscillator, and we also have VB oscillator at the bottom here. And the goal of this indicator pack is for traders that want to start trading uh, and want to use several solid or reliable indicators to help them with their trading, to help them with trend analysis, to help them with entry or timing a trade. So this video obviously is public, so we're not going to discuss a lot of the details on how to trade with these indicators. However, those who do have access to these indicators get access to a private page with a lot of information and a lot of information on how to use these indicators precisely. For if you have access to the volume index, the Z10 oscillator, and the oscillator report, just the oscillator report by itself will give you a lot of trading setup ideas and will also give you in detail exactly how to confirm entries via the oscillators, Z10 or VB oscillator. That in itself is very valuable for traders that are beginner or intermediate. And then you have the volume index, which is your trend indicator or breadth indicator for the market that you're trading. On top of that, there's a private page where we include a lot of other filters that you could add. We also go over how to anticipate trend days and how to analyze trend days as the market is unfolding while in other words, how to anticipate trend days doing nightly homework the prior day. So you're anticipating the next days, and the next day as you're day trading, you're looking for evidence, in other words, evidence from the price action that it is forming as a trend day or as a normal day. So we go over that. We discuss trend days or normal days, and we make it fairly simple. So we don't have 10 different types of days as you would in a market profile, normal variation, neutral days, etc. So we separate it into trending day, normal day, and then we break those down. So the goal is to provide you several indicators, but more importantly, the goal is to provide you ways how to use the indicators and try to instill in you so you understand the indicators and you understand market conditions and how to use the indicators on that type of market on a trend day, for example. What you should do on a trend day and what you shouldn't do on a trend day, what you should do on normal days and what you shouldn't do on a normal day. And that's essentially the key, because you can have an indicator. I mean, traders could have these two indicators for years and never be able to use them profitably. But give them instructions. Give somebody who has experience with them can give them instructions and tips and filters on how to use them. Simple stuff like that, and all of a sudden now they have a lot of valuable information. And that's essentially with any field. You could have a diamond in a rough, but somebody shows you exactly what to do with it. Then now all of a sudden you have something very valuable. So let's take a look at two days. We're going to look at it. The first day we're looking at is a trend day, and these are your long signals. That's a breakout signal, long signal. During this period when the volume index trend turned red, we didn't take any trades. Didn't meet our filters, long signal. This yellow one, the ones that are marked yellow are trades that would have gotten stopped, long signal, and another long signal to finish out the day, which this last long signal was very nice. You could have stayed in and caught this entire move up, just about 8 points in the S&P and 9 points. So you can see we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades. We got stopped out of one of them. Very high probability, and again, we tell you exactly how to take these trades, how to filter these trades. More importantly, how to recognize trend days prior to forming, how to anticipate them, and then how to recognize them as they're forming. So now the next day we're looking at is a normal day. I've marked these trades R or TC because R would be for a reversal trade and TC would be trend continuation. And what defines that? Well, you'll need the private pages too, and we give you instructions how to define a reversal trade or a trend continuation trade, TC trend continuation trade. So here again we have a reversal trade. All the magenta ones are trades that were successful and profitable. The yellow ones are the ones that got stopped. Okay, short trade, short trade. For whatever reason, the filters that we use, and it wasn't intentional, it just filters out a lot of the lunchtime within the index futures. It filters those trades out for some whatever reason, which is good. A lot of people try to avoid trading there. A short signal here. Now, an interesting thing happened here. Market made a lower low. The volume index did not make a lower low. It's made a higher low, and market took off from there. We got a short signal here which didn't go too far, but it wasn't a stop out. This second one was a stop out, and as you begin to use these indicators and learn how to use these properly, what ends up happening is you'll start noticing these lows that were not serious lows, and once you see that your first short trade didn't go that far, you tend to be a lot more careful with the second one that immediately happens, because you understand that the market made a low and it's going to be most likely be a low for the day. Okay, so there was a reversal trade here that advanced traders could have taken, but I didn't mark it because new or intermediate traders would have a hard time seeing these type of trades, so it would require more experience. And here we got a long signal to finish out the day, and that's pretty much a normal day. And I showed you 2 consecutive days, a trend day and a normal day, using these indicators, which we recommend for anybody who wants to start out, whether if they're brand new to trading, or intermediate traders. And then we provide you additional support and information that will assist you in being able to successfully use these. That type of information is within a private page, which you'll get access to once you have access to the indicators. This is the best way that I can think of for traders to start. Another option would be using our strategies that we have. So that's another option if you want to start with indicators. Of course, those strategies use indicators as well, but if you want to use you're looking at the indicators and don't know where to start, this is the perfect place to go ahead and start. Okay, so I think that's about it. Let's wrap it up. Thanks for watching.